What I love about the Rustic Brush, everybody comes in and makes something different. We can have one person making a doormat, another person making a multi-board, another person making a door hanger. Everybody's making something different. They come in and we keep you all on the same page and working together. It's a fun atmosphere. We have music going. You can bring in drinks and food, and it's a party. You're creating a craft while having fun and making memories with your friends and family.
To me, I think that's the biggest thing, because I'm very good with woodworking and I can design stuff and build stuff. But for the craft side, the painting, the art, the artistic side, it's not something I'm very good at. But I feel at the end, when I look at the project, I'm like, okay, I did make that, and it does look professional. And I think that's the big key.
Can't tell you how many times I've heard, I'm not an artist, I can't make this. And we have it set up in a way that you will be successful. You will leave with a product that you'll be proud to hang up on your wall or display on your table and tell everybody, I made that.